Welcome back to Atlas Unlimited. Last time we snuggled up with the cutest pigs in Japan. Today, we're taking a walk across Meganebashi, a bridge that stood for more than 400 years, nestled in the heart of Nagasaki, the next city on our 14-day road trip across Japan.
This is kind of one that I had put on our itinerary, thinking like, oh, okay, it'll be one that we'll get like passing by. It's not going to be like this really like momentous, really cool sight, right? But you know, I think I underestimated it a lot because it is very beautiful and there's like willow trees on both sides.
This is the Megane Bridge. Megane in Japanese means glasses, which you can see basically because of the reflections that it gives on the water underneath. It looks like a pair of spectacles. But it was built in
like 1634?
1634. I think was it 1634?
I'm pretty sure. I think
right?
that's what we had found out.
All right, testing my wife on it. Oh my gosh, you got it. To put that into context, that is older than the United States.
Yeah, not a big deal at all, right?
Kind of crazy. As Nagasaki is one of Japan's oldest trade hubs, the bridge was actually built by Chinese monks, whose temple Kōfuku-ji is just down the street.
And there's a bunch of people too that have like I've seen a couple like kayaks. So people will kind of come down here and kayak and.
But here, check this out.
Like, do we have to do that, JC?
I know. Let's go walk across it. That looks really fun. I have to watch you come down the stairs.
It's like, they're kind of wonky stairs. Not gonna lie, it's a little hard. Oh my gosh, don't go backwards. You're gonna end up in that freaking canal. That'd be the best video we get all day.
Yeah.
Okay, Tim. Are you sure there's a way to get out? Oh, okay.
I believe in you.
They're like, they didn't do the photo op in the middle.
Yeah, right? They're just like, what are they doing?
I know. Because everybody like goes into the middle and they do like this little, I think it's just like the bridge sign or something. It's been kind
I think they're making the glasses because they do it together.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. It's funny how many like little points of interest like this that's kind of like on a smaller scale that the Japanese just get super excited about and they have to take every photo opportunity.
Yeah,
it's really cool though. I like it a lot. It's appreciating what's here, right?
Yeah. Next time on Atlas Unlimited, we're heading down the street to uncover the mysteries of the ancient Buddhist temple Chōshoji. And I'm happy to announce that my feature-length documentary, The Best View in Tokyo, is now available here on DOVR as well. Check it out and consider supporting us by joining the Postcard Club on Patreon. See you along the road.